Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the 14th year of Bing. Yep, Bing has actually started on June 3rd, 2009. So 14 years of Bing. At one point, Yahoo actually decided that it would link its search engine with Bing, which gave it a little momentum because of the extra search. Thinking, in 2009, Yahoo is still high in the search, even though Google is really replacing it fast. But this is kind of interesting to see that this is an example of a product, a service that really never caught on more than anything else. So Microsoft Bing, which I've never really enjoyed, never used because it's no good, also brings so much fluff and extra things that are annoying and of no interest personally. And now it's back in the spotlight because of the Bing Chat AI. So a lot more people heard about Bing since that chat and the Bing Chat bot. So that was something that finally arrived. So this is kind of interesting. What is Bing? So anyways, 14 years. Not really making any dent or any impact towards Google, which is the dominant. We talked about it a few weeks ago, where Google was more than 90% of the search happening. Just tells you that it's so dominant. And even though I don't like Bing, I think it's important to have competition to Google. It's important to have other search engines, and so I don't wish Bing to go away. I think it has its place, but it's just not what I use. Do you use Bing? Have you ever used Bing? And what do you think about it? 14 years ago it was released, and in 14 years really hasn't done much. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.